Hey boys and girls, this is 15-1 quick check. So you're going to log into Pearson like normal and click on the quick check for 15-1, lines, rays, and angles. Okay, so number one, it says what geometric figure is shown. So I have a line right here, right, with an arrow going this way and an arrow going this way. It's something that goes on forever and forever. So this one should be pretty easy, right? Is this a part of a line, a point, an actual line, or a ray? So you're going to choose your answer and then you're going to hit next. So number 2 says, which represents a line? So there's 3 things that could possibly be right here because this GBD is talking about an angle. So is this a line, is this a line, or is this a line? This one right here this AB one has no arrows on it. So remember, a line has arrows on each side. This BA has an arrow only on one side. And the BC has the lines and the arrow on both sides. So you're going to drag what a line is down here. So here's a right angle. So here's the only angle, but let's check. GBD goes G down to B and over to D, makes a perfect right angle. So you're going to drag this angle GBD down to the right angle. So now we're going to look for which is a line segment, right? Just a part of a line. So is it this one or this one? A line segment is just a part of a line, okay? No arrows. So you're going to drag whatever it is down the line segment. An array, remember, it has only one arrow going in all the directions. And then when you're ready, you could go on to number 3. All right. So number 3, it says, which of the following is not an example of a right angle? Remember, a right angle is a line going up and a line going perfectly perpendicular underneath it. So the corner of a door, think of a corner of a door, right? That's a perfect 90-degree angle. The corner of a book, right? Think of what that would look like. The point of a pencil, that's kind of weird, right? And then D, the corner of a piece of notebook paper. So there's one obvious answer that is an example of not of a right angle. So click it when you're ready, and we're going to go to number 4. So number 4 says, Annette drew 2 acute angles. Remember, acute is too small, and that makes a right angle. Which is Annette's drawing? So you should see only 2 of these make a right angle, right? C does not make a right angle and D does not make a right angle. So you're looking at A or B. Which of them is 2 acute angles put together to make a 90-degree angle, right? So you're going to look at this. You're going to look at DMC. Is that an acute angle? I hope you say no, right? So if we look at on B, CMB, that's a little an acute. And we look at BMA, that's also an acute. So B is the correct choice. You can have 2 acute angles that equal that 90-degree angle. So when you're ready, go to number 5. All right, so number 5 says, which geometric term best describes angle LJK? So you're going to go from L to J to K. It's pretty large, right? I don't think it's an acute. It's not a perfect up and down right angle, and it's not the straight line. Remember, we're looking at L, J, and K. So bubble in your best choice, and then you could submit your quick check. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.